In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a form using 123FormBuilder with a step-by-step guide. Whether you're aiming to enhance your online interaction or effortlessly collect data from your audience, adding a form can be a straightforward process. Let's dive into the details to help you get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your 123FormBuilder account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one on their website. Once logged in, navigate to the Create Form button. At this point, you're offered the flexibility to choose from a wide variety of templates, or if you're feeling creative, start from scratch. Templates are a fantastic way to streamline the process, allowing you to pick something that matches your needs and modify it, saving both time and effort. After selecting your template or creating a blank form, it's time to personalize it. The tool's user-friendly drag and drop functionality lets you easily add fields. Whether you're looking to gather names, email addresses, phone numbers, or other specific entries, the process is as simple as dragging the necessary fields onto your form. 123. Form Builder gives you unparalleled customization options, allowing you to style your form to fit your brand's aesthetic. Whether you want to change fonts, colors, or field sizes, you've got plenty of creative freedom at your fingertips. Next, let's enhance the form's functionality by fine-tuning the settings. Navigate to the Settings tab to add layers of functionality, such as email notifications, which are perfect for keeping you informed whenever someone fills out your form. If your goal includes integrating your form with other tools or platforms, say a CRM or email marketing software, this is where you'd handle those connections. Adding a thank you page is another excellent way to make your audience feel appreciated after they've submitted their information. Once everything looks just the way you want, it's time to publish your form. Click on the Publish option, where you'll have the choice to copy a direct link or get an embed code to include your form directly on your website. It's a seamless way to present your form to your audience without making them leave your page. Before wrapping things up, double check to ensure that your form functions as expected. Test it by filling in fields and submitting it to see whether everything works smoothly and all integrations fire without a hitch. Making sure your form operates correctly will save you from headaches and enhance your user experience. By following these steps, you're sure to craft a form with 123 Form Builder that not only meets your data collection needs, but also resonates well with your audience. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and adding a form with 123 Form Builder. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!